welcome to a lesson on doing 2-point perspective. This might be even easier than 1-point perspective. So we have our horizon line and we have two vanishing points on our page. And what I really need from you this time is just to be able to draw a vertical line, and then everything else pretty much gets connected to your two vanishing points. With 1-point perspective, we kept doing this whole thing where we draw like a square, rectangle, and then have the corners reach towards the vanishing point. This time, instead of starting with a rectangle or square, we'll just start with some vertical lines. So I'll do one right on the horizon line this time. Okay, just like that. Just a nice vertical line. Remember, when we have something that's on the horizon line, it's called eye level. Just do this. I think that's a little bit better. Okay, so what we do now is we just connect the top and bottom points back towards the two vanishing points. Just like that. And then back towards the others. There we go. Okay, and we've got this kind of weird thing that goes on forever and ever. So this is just like we did with 1-point perspective. This is going to be like a box we're drawing, and we just have to cut it off at a certain point. And this time all we have to do is just cut it off with vertical lines, however big or small you want the box to be. Like I want it to be that big on that side, and then maybe that big on that side. And then I erase all the excess lines I don't need. So if this is a box, I wouldn't be able to see the horizon line through the box. Okay, and then the orthogonals, I can just get rid of those. Alrighty, and now let's do one below the horizon line. Okay, because we'll see more sides of it. So let's do a nice vertical line here. And then, as usual, we connect our top and bottom of our line back to the vanishing points, back towards both of them. And what we're going to get is what I call the birthday card that goes on forever and ever and ever. Okay, so that's that. And it looks like a big birthday card that goes on forever and ever. So let's cut it off at a certain point. So I want it to be that big on that side and that big on that side. I'm just doing vertical lines. I think we can all handle vertical lines by now. I'll get rid of the orthogonals. Okay, and right now it just looks like a birthday card, but I want it to look like a box. Well, the vanishing points are going to do the work for us. So all we have to do is connect these corners of the box towards the vanishing points. So this side gets connected to the left. Okay, there, and then this little corner over here gets connected on that side, and it perfectly cuts off the top of the box for us. Check it out. Just like that. And then all you got to do is erase the orthogonals. Now you'll have a box. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing above the horizon line one more time. Okay. So just connect the tops and bottoms. Try to do this quickly because I think my video's running out of time. Go. Okay, I'm going to cut it off there and there because that's where I want to cut it off. Okay, and again, we have that birthday card looking thing. We want to finish this and make it look like an actual 3-dimensional box. So we just connect the corners back towards the vanishing points. So this corner on the right gets connected to the vanishing point on the left. And then this corner on the left gets connected to the vanishing point on the right. And it just does the work for us. Okay, now it's totally cut off and we're good to go. Just erase the extra orthogonals that we don't need anymore. And then